Hi, and welcome to another how-to video from us here at AST Limited, home of the Fastime stopwatches range. In this video, we'll be showing you how our Fastime 4 stopwatch works. The Fastime 4 is a professional quality single display stopwatch specifically engineered for circuit racing and dual competitor events. It combines a rugged shot-resistant build with a specialised feature set that allows users to toggle between timing modes without interrupting the action. We'll be referring to the split reset button as button A, the mode button as button B, and the start stop button as button C. Press C to start. Press C to stop. This is timeout. Press C again to continue, and C to stop, and A to reset. Press B any time to switch between cumulative split and lap split. Press C to start. Press A to split. This is the cumulative split. Press A to release. So the stopwatch has been running in the background. Press C to stop and A to reset. If we switch then to the lap mode, press C to start, press A to split, press A to release from the lap split time, press C to stop and A to reset. Whilst timing, you can press B any time to switch between these functions. So in lap mode, press C to start, press A to take the split, press A to release, press B to switch to cumulative, press A to take a split, press A to release, press B to switch back to lap, press A to take a split, A to release, C to stop, and A to reset. Press C to start, press A to stop, press C. This will show the stop time of the first competitor. Then, when the second competitor finishes, press A to release, as the timer has been running in the background, and press A to reset. And that's the Fastime 4. We've included a link to the downloadable instructions in the description box below. You can also contact us via our website if you have any queries. Thanks for watching.